So in this apartments.com tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to find pet-friendly rentals here on apartments.com. So once you have apartments.com opened up, I want you to type in your location and then press on search. Once you're on this page and you have your location selected, I want you to go to the top right where it says all filters and press on that. Then once you're on the all filters tab, I want you just to scroll on down to where it says keep on scrolling to where it says pet policy. And as of right now, there isn't one selected, but if you're looking for one that allows cats and dogs, etc., you can go ahead and select that. If you want cat friendly, dog friendly, you can. But for this demonstration, I will press on dog and cats allowed, then press on see results. Now, all of the listings that you're going to be seeing do actually allow you to bring in pets. So this is how you guys can find pet friendly rentals here on apartments.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.